नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. Today our is the revision class of RCH care. So again we will discuss about the RCH care. I am Dr. Rashmi Agrawal, MD Homeopathy, Professor and HOD Department of Obstetric and Gynecology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. So RCH care is very much important for mother as well as child also. So we will discuss again about the RCH care. Here is the introduction. State of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity according to WHO. So health, if we define what is health, so complete physical, mental and socially, if patient is completed or if a person is now physically, mentally and social well-being, so it will be say that he or she is completely healthy. So according to WHO, it is definition. Then RCH care, reproductive and child health care for mother, is an integrated and composite approach to improve the health status of women and children in India. It was launched in 1997. So RCH care, the aims, goals of RCH care, goal or task of RCH care are or duties in the also the hospital and also the physician who take the case of women, pregnant women. So aim of RCH care are safe motherhood, child survival, adolescent health, family planning and prevention and management of infections to reduce IMR and MMR. So there are the tasks or aims of RCH care: safe motherhood, safe delivery, safe antenatal or counseling. If we talk about the safe motherhood, so three stages are here, like antenatal care, intranatal care, and postnatal care. So all three uh, stages are important for pregnant women. Then child survival also important when child is delivered. Then care of child is very important, very necessary. Adolescent health, and then next is the stage is adolescent health and family planning methods. When proper family planning methods are taken, then healthy child and healthy mother are there. Prevention and management of infection during the pregnancy. You see, there are many infections can uh, in the pregnant women. So here is the management is done properly and to reduce IMR, intermaternal mortality rate, and MMR, maternal mortality rate, infant mortality rate, and maternal mortality rate is also important. Then new initiatives have been taken by government. RCH Care 2000 in the 15, the new initiatives provide basic and comprehensive emergency obstetric care and essential newborn care. These actions taken by the government to strengthen and to make all PSCs. Government conduct all PSCs. You see there are in the college internees go to the different PHCs and take the cases every day. So here is the aim that to take the case and proper manage the case of person. So it is the to strength and to make the all PSCs, CSCs and FRUs operational as 24-hour delivery centers in a phased manner. These actions are taken by the government very seriously. Then Here, interventions or interference is of RCH care, safe motherhood. Safe motherhood, you know, then antenatal care. Antenatal care is the care of the woman during the pregnancy. Then early registration, here is the in antenatal care and early registration of pregnancy. Minimum 4 antenatal visits should be conducted by the government. So these are very important, and here is it is written 3 visits. Second at 24 or 28 weeks, third visit 32 weeks, and fourth visit at 36 weeks. So minimum 4 visits are very important for pregnant women, which is carried out by the government. Then to strengthen the referral system, routine immunization with tetanus toxoid to strengthen the referral system. So here, if the patient is in trouble, so it is to our duty that she is referred for any hospitals, and it is very important for pregnant women that immunization is done. Immunization from tetanus toxoid and supplementary iron folic acid also. Then intranatal care, care of the women during delivery time, during 9 months, or when labor pains are started, then it is the care during that time. So institutional deliveries are preferred because there are very facilities are given for the patient in 80% cases, and 100% deliveries are by skilled persons, because they are in the hospitals, well trained practitioners are there, and also the skilled persons are there for attending these cases. Then also precautions are taken by clean hands, perineal area, umbilical area. These are the cares. Then postnatal care means after delivery. Care of the women during delivery is the intranatal, and if care of the women after delivery is postnatal care, support to restore the health of mother and care of the newborn. Family planning services, safe abortion services, breastfeeding is very important for child. Here we counsel to the patient that what is the need or what is the requirement of breastfeeding for fetus, or early breastfeeding is very important, because here is the colostrum which is found in the breast milk. It is very important for infant, for newborn baby. So here postnatal care, aim of the postnatal care is to restore the health of mother and as well as care of the newborn. Family planning services also done here, because in the delivery time mother is also in the trouble time. Mother is in the trouble. So here if we counsel to the women, then uh, what is the maintenance of gap during in between the first child and second child, why it is necessary. So here is the importance of family planning also, and safe abortion services also done here. Then essential newborn care. What are the essential cares are given during delivery time? Here is the clean delivery. Clean delivery means clean hand, clean perineal area. Okay. Then resuscitation at birth. If newborn is in the trouble or any asphyxial symptoms, cyanosis. So here is the importance of resuscitation. Prevention of hypothermia. If when baby is in the uterus, then the temperature of the mother is very high in the uterus, and when come out from the vagina or after parturition, here is maybe the hypothermia. So in the incubator is the machine. Newborn is carried out to the incubator machine, and then here temperature is maintained according to the um, uterine temperature. Then prevention of infection also. Ophthalmia neonatum is one of the main infection may be caused during delivery. So here prevention is also done. Then breastfeeding, early and exclusive called. Then 10 baby friendly hospital initiatives. These are the hospitals initiatives are done. Referral of sick newborn. If a newborn is very much sick, then patient is referred to the other hospital. Then adolescent and reproductive health. Adolescent and reproductive health also important. Yes, 20% total population of India are adolescent. So here are the counseling is very much important in that stage. Problems to overcome are early motherhood, risk of the mother and her newborn. Here, if we guide to the patient or to the person or the female, then if she is pregnant early, so here maybe the risk for mother and also the newborn. So in the late stage or after 18 age is much better that she is married and she is pregnant. Undernutrition and anemia cases may be occur, psychological immaturity also, and consequences of unprotected sex. So here are the counseling done to these in these stages. Then reproductive tract infection, sexually transmitted infections also may be occur, mainly due to unsafe abortion. Unsafe abortion, unplanned delivery, poor menstrual hygiene, and unhygienic IUD insertion. These are the proper preventive and curative measures under the RCH program. Here you can see. Then gender issues also maybe inequality, unfavorable of woman and girl child is an important hindrance of social development. This is evident in terms of food, education, medical care, access to financial resources, and decision making. Gender discrimination is to be removed. So gender sex is the male or female. So it is um not very much for development process developmenting. These are the hindrance for development of the female. Then others are the RCH second, skilled birth attendant and universal immunization of children. Then RCH second highlights are the community need assessment approach, upgradation of facilities, permission for skilled birth attendant to administer certain life-saving drugs. These are the main proper approaches. Then life-saving drugs. Life-saving drugs are these here. Misoprostol is very important for women. Oxytocin, ampicillin, metronidazole, life-saving interventions, digital removal of product of conception, incomplete abortion with bleeding, active management of third stage of labor, and maintaining a partograph. You know about the partograph. Here, all the events are collected in the partograph from labor pain and to uh, till the delivery of the baby. रूरल इंडिया में रूरल इंडिया अंडर NRHM and Janni Suraksha Yojana scheme also in your college, accredited social health activities work as at person among the beneficiary at village level with the ANM and doctor of the FRUs. So these are the mainly interventions or these are the schemes are given for pregnant women. Emergency obstetrical care is life-saving as the time between onset of an emergency during delivery and availability of treatment is very crucial. So these are the mainly provided by FRUs, anesthetic services, vacuum delivery, blood transfusion facilities, cesarean deliveries, manual removal, placenta, safe abortion services, contraceptive services. These are the services given by the government. Thank you.